Be ready? Start. The facts arising out of the present writ petition are that, on the basis of advertisement made by the respondent in the year 1989 for the purposes of appointment on the post of constable, as the petitioner was fully eligible to be considered and appointed, he submitted relevant documents, and on the basis of aforesaid document, petitioner was considered treating his date of birth as 15th November 1969 stop. The high school certificate issued by the Board of High School and Intermediate of the year 1983 was submitted at that time stop. Petitioner, on the basis of aforesaid appointment, was working, and the conduct of the petitioner was always appreciated by the relevant authority from time to time stop. It appears that, on the basis of some complaint regarding various persons who have obtained the appointment claiming themselves to be dependent of the employees working in the department under the dying in harness rules, some investigation was made without any notice to the petitioner, and it was found, as alleged by the respondent, that in the certificate submitted by the petitioner of the high school, the date of birth of the petitioner is entered as 15th November 1965 stop, though in the certificate which has been submitted by the petitioner, the date of birth is recorded as 15th November 1969 stop era. The contention of the petitioner to this effect is that, in case on the basis of some complaint, if the respondent was of the opinion that on the basis of some inquiry made thereunder, the certificate submitted by the petitioner was having some discrepancy or wrong date of birth, according to respondent is entered, the petitioner was entitled to have a show cause notice and opportunity stop. The appointment of the petitioner cannot be cancelled without any notice and opportunity, that too after completion of about 17 years of service in the police department stop. In case the petitioner would have been given a liberty, he would have submitted a certificate issued by the high school board, which was submitted at the time of entrance in service stop, without any notice and opportunity to the petitioner. The order impugned, dated 22nd February 2008, cannot be passed stop. The petitioner has placed reliance upon a judgment of Apex Court reported in 1991-1 SCC 330 Shravan Kumar Jha and others versus State of Bihar and others stop. On the strength of the aforesaid decision, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the case, on the basis of some inquiry, it was found by the respondents that certificate submitted by the petitioner is not correct, or they have come to the conclusion that it is a forged certificate. The principle of natural justice has to be observed, and no order can be passed without any opportunity to the petitioner stop. The division bench of this court has held that termination without any show cause notice or opportunity to defend has been held to be violative to the principle of natural justice and has quashed the order of termination stop.